Good morning, traders. Good morning. I hope you are well. My name is Justice. This is Code to Trade. Welcome to the channel, guys. This is where we trade live, we trade with guidance, we trade with love and care. So, welcome if it's your first time being here. Don't be shy. Like, share, and subscribe, right? Um, yeah. So we are on day four, right? Day four meaning of the series, but doesn't, but not necessarily of the account. The account is actually day two, but it's day four of the series itself. So yeah, gold is moving, guys. It is moving, and as you can see here, it has an objective, right? We are literally moving with gold. Okay, I just want to have a look and see if the stream it is going smoothly, right? If I'm audible, if all of that is okay. Yes, it is. Yes, the stream is going good. Awesome. Um, so what do we have here? What do we see? Right. Um, hmm. This here, whenever you see impulsive moves, big impulsive moves, price is trying to reach somewhere on the higher time frame. So from whatever time frame you are on, the higher time frame from that. So if you note here, we've got a fair value gap that we are in here, and then also another fair value gap here on the 1 hour, right? So and according to our structure here, we've got this swing low, swing high there. We go on the 15 now. So anyway, from here, price could even go a little bit lower, but anyway, from where we are here to actually start going up, right? We can do that. So the thing is now, whenever we've got an impulsive like that, for us to go back up, the thing is we will price doesn't necessarily always go back up fast. It can. That's one of the things that it can do. It can go up fast as well, but um, it is actually it most of the times we can have price end up ranging, right? It can end up ranging going up like that there, right? Cool. So we should be open to that, right? mm, yeah, so everything is good. Okay, saying that is good. Cool. So um if I have to look for a setup here, if I have to look for a setup here, I do have potential areas where I want to see my setup take place, right? uh yeah, I do have potential areas I want to see my setup take place. And I just want to confirm something here. Just give me a second. Let's give me a second. So, one of the things that I wanted to highlight is every second day I will start. I will now be submitting videos, right? These videos are going to be, or I'll be uploading videos. Let me say. In these videos, the objective of them is for me to do every 2 day recaps, right? Like a recap of every 2 days. So, um, so I'm able to explain some of the reasons why we're actually getting involved in some of these trades that you are seeing. So, Um, yeah, okay, that's gold. This move is a beautiful move, going down. I want to go to a person which I analyzed here. I analyzed gold. No, I analyzed US30. US30 is giving me potential moves, right? Just remove these drawings here. US30. We are in this gap with US30. We are retracing. I'm just looking at between this structure and that structure there. We are in this gap here, right? We are in this gap here. This classic fair value gap that we came in here, and then that's on the 4 hour. Let's go on the 1 hour. So I was looking forward to it, but that gap there, I'm not sure if it will hold, right? What I am more positive will hold is this gap, this opening gap. Why is it green here? That is my opening gap. So from here all the way to there, that is the opening gap that we have there. You see, so that's where I'm thinking, I'm seeing where price will go. That's where price, I'm looking at price to go. So and then after that we can look forward maybe to going up. We could even retrace a bit. I'm not sure if we will come back down, but ask if we can be part of this move here, just to react and go up. That's more than enough. I mean, that's a 1 hour time frame. What more would we want, right? What more would we want? So yeah, I'm on the sidelines for a buy with this guy here. We're in a gap, and then also now between our swing low here and our swing high. You see what I'm saying? I'm expecting it to come a little bit closer to this vicinity here, this area. So that's okay. Yeah, but we'll wait, right? We'll wait. We'll be on the sidelines. I have it on my watch list here. I do have an alert. Yeah, I do have an alert so that when it does come a bit closer, I will know. But I can set one here with you. Yeah, I can set one here with you. Okay. So now we can move over to maybe back to gold, because I want to see if it's actually if we are able to actually get involved then move back up, right, without having to miss the move there. So okay, right now we've got interesting price action taking place with gold for a potential move up, uh, but we need a little bit more data, just a little bit more, then we'll be involved, right? Involved. Just go in the 5 minutes. Yeah. So let's see if we will, if we are gonna have something. Yeah, the move was beautiful. I repeat, it was a nice, beautiful move that we had there. Very beautiful move. Okay. So we are just on the sidelines right now at the moment. We are seeing if we can have a potential entry. Yeah. Okay. We are waiting to see if we have no potential entry to go up. Once we don't, we won't be part of it, right? Okay. Okay, so we are still waiting. We are waiting. We don't have much right now. We are like on the sidelines. We just want to see if there's a bit of more data. Yeah, there are potential areas where I'm expecting reversals. So yeah, we could even come because we have an order block here. I'm going to show you this order block that we have here. So from light from this candle here, yeah, we have a potential of coming into this order block too. So we are on the sidelines waiting to see. Okay, one person I didn't analyze it is NASDAQ. So I'm just gonna have a moment to look at NASDAQ. Just check on the stream if it's okay. But I think it should be fine. One person I didn't analyze is okay. Yeah, the stream does look okay. Fine. Yeah, NASDAQ, I did not analyze him. So let's see, what is his objective? What is his objective? What is his story? In fact, NASDAQ, what's funny about NASDAQ, it's looking a little bit more closer to what we were expecting with wow, okay. Just give me a second there. I think we might have a setup on NASDAQ. Okay, okay. I'm happy with what I'm seeing from NASDAQ. Let me show you what I'm seeing from NASDAQ. Gold as well. We're still waiting for potential buys, right? We are waiting for potential buys. They could happen here or they could happen here, right? So we just need to wait for confirmations. NAS 100 is the one that is doing the right things right now. Let's go. Let's go with there. So before I go to NAS 100, let's go here. So you remember what we are looking forward to with this guy. We've got an opening gap here. This big opening gap. We are expecting price to come inside here. We are looking forward to price coming into the opening gap. Right? Sharp. And then also a gap there, a value gap on the high time frame. Sharp. NASDAQ, on the other hand, is just at this price action. I will move it like that there. Right? And then on the higher time frame, number one, here is our opening gap. We've actually reached, there is the big opening gap that we wanted here. We've actually reached our opening gap, right? So that is the opening gap that we wanted to come and tap into. So we could potentially, I don't know if we're going to go up. If we do go up, that's all the way to take out the high and carry on going, that's good. But I am looking forward just to a move up here. That's what I am sure will happen, right? From there, we can retrace and go down. We can retrace and go down, or we can go up. That's okay. For me, I want us to be part of this. So this is 15 minutes, meaning we could still have we are going to have a good move, because it is a 15 minutes from here, even just to halfway the move. Let's say halfway this range here, right? Halfway this range here. Okay, that will be extremely beautiful. It will be a good move, right? So what do you want to see now? We will, okay. So this is a previous daily high. We've taken out a previous daily high. Previous daily low is like below there. So we haven't taken out our previous daily low, which is okay, right? So we're just gonna go to 1 minute, in the 5 minutes, and we'll stop here. We'll stop here, and then we'll see if we do have anything interesting for us to be part of this move. Yeah, it's as clean and simple as that, right? In fact, maybe in the 15 minutes, I will, when I do get a confirmation, then I will draw. Every time frame should have a purpose, right? You're not just jumping from one time frame to another. Every time frame is a purpose, and if you just don't go from one time frame to another, one time frame should allow you to go to another time frame. That is what I'm doing there. If I get a confirmation, it will allow me to go in the lower time frame and look for maybe a better entry or something like that, right? So I need to be able to see. You need to be able to see the purpose of each time frames that you have, right? Okay, looking forward to quite a few, some nice stuff here. Like I'm talking about nice stuff. I'm talking about nice stuff. So we will see when we do arrive. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I do have potential setups here. So we'll just be waiting. That's all we'll be doing. We'll be waiting for the confirmation. Then we'll get involved. So NASDAQ is something good looking. And then we are bullish. I'm just gonna say bullish here. So you know our bias, right? Oh, and remember, anything you see on this channel, right, is not financial advice. It is all for educational purposes. I am not regulated by the FSCA or any other financial board out there. I am just a trader showing you the reality of trading from my perspective and what I've got to learn over the years, and none of it is financial advice. It is all just for educational purposes. So before you make any financial decision, make sure you've done proper research, right? So good, we've got that out of the way. All right, so yeah, we're kind of like waiting for this here. We're like waiting for this here. We're waiting for a bullish move to go up, and then yeah, that's the thing. You see, with 30, we were expecting the same thing, but he got there first. So we will get in the one who got there first. We are not gonna be saying, we saw it on 30, so no. We are trading what the market is showing us, right? So, and according to me, with 30, I'm seeing this as SMT now. Let me put 30 on the low here, then you see what I'm talking about. With what we were looking for from US 30. You see, is it here? Yeah, it is here. Look at this. We are actually having SMT with this 30 here. Remember where, this is this one. If you look, we wanted it kind of like to trade into the 70 gap. So we've got this low and this low. Okay, we haven't taken about this low. We haven't taken out this low. So we are kind of like having SMT here. We actually are having SMT. Not we are kind of, we are having SMT. That's our SMT up there. and then there's our SMT down here, like this here. See? So that is what is happening. So we're just gonna be on the sidelines waiting. Yeah, the sidelines waiting, and then we'll get involved with the entry when the setup gets presented, when the confirmation does get presented, right? So that's that. Okay, we also had it's gold, right? Let's go back to gold. Gold, we had an interesting part. We're looking forward to something. It was looking like it wants to do something gold. Like it wants to go back up. And for it to go back up, we need more information than the one that it is just giving us, right? We need a little bit more. We need just a little bit more. At the moment, I am seeing it as um, we let me see. Just having a look on my side. It's looking like we want to go up a bit, like retrace and then maybe break to this area. So we are going to be on the sidelines. We are going to be on the sidelines. You can find that it's going to take, I don't know how many candles for that to take place. Here, you can find that you're going to have a lot of candles for you to take place. Wow, 115 minutes candle covered the whole of. We didn't even put our projections here. Let's put our 18 o'clock thing. 18 o'clock is our open, the beginning of the day, the start of the day. Is our previous 18 o'clock. Where is our previous daily high or low? This is a low. This is our high, yeah. It's our previous daily range. So we are trading above our previous daily, range, right? Cool. So yeah, I'm expecting it just to be coming something like that. If it doesn't, it's still okay. I'm not bothered by that. It could even still drop, right? Yeah, I am a little bit more now on this part here than that part there. So we will have to just be, yeah, watching. We just need to be watching it. I feel like I need more screens. Yeah, I feel like I need more screens. Okay. So far, everything is going good with NASDAQ. So, NASDAQ, I'm bullish. Gold, I am bullish, but not now. But with NASDAQ, where we are, I am bullish right now, right? So, um, we will have just to be waiting. We just have to be on the sidelines and wait. Oh, and also remember, I'm working from home, so of course you'll be able to hear my family in the background as they move and go about their way. You hear my daughter here, and then you hear my wife. She also works from home as well. So, yeah, or maybe even the washing machine or something like that. Okay, so I'll put the volume a little bit down now since the washing machine is running. But you know what I'm looking forward to, right? With NASDAQ, let's see, NASDAQ should not leave us. Should not leave us. Just need to see a little bit more data here with NASDAQ. I'm looking forward to a little bit more data with NASDAQ. We've also, where is our 18 o'clock for today? Did we highlight that? you, which we're here. That is our 18 o'clock for today. We also did take out our previous daily high here with NASDAQ, but we still look like we're in the previous weekly range, right? We haven't taken out the previous weekly's high or low. Yeah, so we are kind of like there, right? We haven't taken out the previous weekly range, and which is okay. We don't have to, right? We are not swing traders. Yesterday, I was actually working on some few stuff late. In fact, I slept around later today, right? And what was nice is, what was the highlight is, um, um, with my setup, I was looking at high time frames and I was finding it, right? Of course, it's not like I was shocked, but I found myself looking for more confirmations, looking for more data than what is already there on my normal setups. And then I was now even saying, okay, at some point I would love to have a swing account. I know with my futures prop firms, you can't hold trades overnight. So I would like to have a futures, what do you call it? A futures, I mean, a swing account, right? And I know FTMO offers a beautiful swing account, as in like, it's a prop firm that is good. I'm not talking about brokers yet. Right now, I'm more on these guys, right? I'm more on prop firms. And in fact, I'm going to say I am fully prop firms. I haven't touched a broker in a while. So I prefer prop firms. And so what I'm talking about is FTMO has got a normal one that you can hold trades overnight, and then they've got a swing account. So if I can get a swing account from FTMO, that would be nice. That would be nice. It would be like top notch, right? Yeah. So um and yeah, hold some trades for a while. It'll exercise patience, I think, on a good level, very good level. All right. So just want to look a little bit more at what should I expect now, if there is anything I can be expecting. Okay. Okay, now we are on the sidelines. We are still waiting, guys. We are waiting. Um, we are waiting. So that's inside. Okay. So as soon as I see my confirmations, if everything is in line, we are doing what we need to do, then we will be part of the trade. We'll get in the trade together. Oh, yes. So I wanted now also to highlight my quarters. So if we look at what's happening here, my daily quarters here, we have traded now below London. We've traded below Asia, but we haven't targeted London, so we could end up going for London here. We could end up going for London here. Remember, we have SMT already. Here, it's too thick for SMT. SMT with YM. Yeah. Right. Okay. So, yeah. Let's just see if we can have something there. Yeah, I've taken out. So, yeah, we've got an order block here. We did come into it, but we've got a lot happening in this rejection here. So we just have to wait and see a little bit more. Right, we've got a little bit more than what we have here. Okay. Interesting. Excuse me. It's clean. Okay. 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 That's nice and clean. This one, yeah, use this one. Clean. Nice. 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 When I look at my trading, I see it changing over time. I see it changing over time. I see, and it should, guys, right? Your trading should improve, and um, it should always improve, right? And for me, I see it change towards the times, like the times to trade. Um, I'm going to be having some awkward times which you've probably never thought, right? Because I see that's where my edge with the way I trade goes towards, like it goes towards that side. So um like okay, yeah, no, looking forward to good things here, guys. Yeah, good potential moves here we are waiting for. So for a buy, we'll be getting in a buy soon. We're looking for a buy soon. We're looking for a buy soon. I would like at least a gap of some sort that we can get into or trade into. So yeah, we'll be going in soon. Um, yeah, anytime soon I'll be getting involved. Thing is, right, getting in here was a bit of a challenge because we can't just say we might get in because we had a gap. It is a big gap and we do this, right? Yeah, we cannot do that. However, I'm expecting some sort of retest in the same vicinity or area, but I will see if there is a confirmation of some sort in order for us to go at least halfway. Yeah, in fact, just there or somewhere there. Yeah, that'll be okay with me. So just give me a second. I will confirm once there's a trade or there's an entry, but anytime now. And remember, guys, nothing here is financial advice. Everything you see on this channel, it is all for educational purposes. I am not regulated by the FSCA or any other financial board. So um, please, before you make any financial decision, make sure you do proper research. Right? Okay. So we close. We are close. Our close, I will confirm when we can expect our entry. I'll confirm. We've got this week here, so I want us to come back maybe into the week there. But again, it's all part of the order block. It's part of this big guy here, so we'll see. We'll see. So we'll just be waiting on the sidelines. So you better not leave us, guys. You better not leave us. You better not leave us. Let's see how is gold doing. Goodness, goodness, gold arrived. Okay, it took out this low though. I'm not happy with it taking out this low. Yeah. Okay, I'll go back to NASDAQ and refocus on NASDAQ. Okay. This is actually two. Hmm. This is one. This is one. There's two. Yeah, so we wait. We wait, we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait, guys. Goes, it's fine. But we wait. We are waiting still. Yeah, so we'll still be waiting. Okay, so I'm looking forward now to get involved somewhere here. First thing come back, yeah, we are fine. No stop loss below that low. But Again, I'm gonna need a little bit more data. It will come now, but I'm gonna need a little bit more data than the one you're seeing there. Okay, maybe even closer in there. We'll be in now. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in here. So let's get in here.
Order filled.
Let's get in here. Let's see. We'll be buying from here. I'm buying, so I'll put myself stop. Buying, so I'll put a sell stop.
Order submitted.
So we are in from where we are here. Stop loss is going to be somewhere here. Yeah. Then we go up. Okay. So we are moving. Let's just see. I'm just going to double check if this thing is doing the right thing. If you are seeing my, yeah, you are seeing. Okay, that's okay. Okay. So we are moving. It's going well. It's going well so far. Something I'm just going to confirm here. Okay. Yeah. Interesting, isn't that interesting, guys? Isn't that interestingly nice? Hmm? You guys seeing a beautiful move there, guys? Beautiful moves, beautiful, beautiful moves. Just gonna put my stop loss a little bit above my take profit above. So buying there. So I'm gonna put my, we are buying. So I should put a sell. Oh goodness, that was a big retracement. Okay, but anyway, we are buying. So I should put sell stop.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that was a very big retracement, but it's okay. We are buying. So I should put a, no, I'll put a buy stop there. It's supposed to be a sell stop.
Order canceled.
We are buying, so I should put a sell limit rate.
Order submitted.
Okay. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't come back and try to take us out, but it's going good so far. It's going very good. good. Let's go up, let's buy, let's buy. You're like right there, bro. What's wrong with you? So my target, remember, is 1,000 red. It's I mean, my target is, I'm not supposed to make more than 1,500, so that is okay. Come on. Why are you pulling back? We need to go up, buddy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We need to go up. Imagine, and I'm just in here right now. I didn't even get halfway there, and I'm just in here like this. It's crazy, eh? That is crazy, the numbers that we are seeing there. Let's go a little bit higher, just a little bit higher, buddy, just a little bit higher. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what is its objective. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see what you can see, right? Make sure that is visible. Yeah, you can see what we are running on. So what we are looking forward to. Let's go hit my take profit. My take profit is not that far. It's like right there. It's not that far. I think if I'm able to reach it, it doesn't need to get all the way up here. Yeah. Let's go up, buddy. Let's go up. Let's go up. We are like there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I'm open for that pool to take place. I am open for it to take place. Come on. That's too deep, man. I wasn't expecting that. That is too deep. Let's go up, buddy. Why are you pulling back? Why are you pulling back? Let's back at my entry.
Order filled.
Took a loss on that one, guys. It was moving good. I took a loss now. Okay.
Order cancelled.
Let's see. Why are we having this now? Okay. I think I do see what's happening here. Okay. I do see what's happening here. So I'm still waiting for my buy. Of course, here it's still in here, but here I'm waiting to see if there is a bit more than what this guy wants to do. So we'll see. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to enter another one if it comes back a bigger one here.
Order filled.
Okay. So I'm gonna be in here now. That was more than I was expecting.
Order filled.
My stop loss. Okay, this guy is so volatile. That was so volatile. Okay, I'm just gonna be on the sidelines for now. I'll be on the sidelines for now. I didn't expect this, so I'm just gonna be on the sidelines. Let's wait. Okay. Mm, okay. So just give me a second. I'm just having a look. I'm still expecting us to buy, so I want to know if it's not confirmed if where I'm getting involved is right. Okay. One, two, see, break. Cool. Where's him? So we'll still wait. So this guy, I'll cancel him for now, and I'll wait for another entry. Yeah, I'll cancel him for now, and we'll wait for another entry. So let's wait. We are waiting still. We want to see if we have the entry again, or yeah, we are waiting. Okay. So we could, but we have to wait again, guys. Let's see if we can get a confirmation. So it's still expect us to be buying, so I will wait and get the right entry. So we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. The move was so short and it was so volatile from here to there. Yeah. So we are still waiting. I'll say waiting. Interesting. Yeah, for confirmation, I'm getting, so we are still waiting for confirmations. Okay, so I might end up showing anytime soon. Then I'll be waiting for it exactly like that. It's up to me, right? Okay. Interesting. Okay. If I do get in here, I'll put my stop loss there and do target going up. How much am I risking? 200. Okay, how much? Okay, I'll be able to actually cover. Okay, so I'm gonna put a limit here.
Order submitted.
I set my limit. If it just come, I'll trigger the trade. This is the proper crown, so okay. So I put my order. see. It wants to leave us now. Can't be playing games like this. You can't want to leave us. Okay, no, it's not leaving us. Yeah, it's not leaving us. It's not. So we're still waiting. It's not. It's not. It's not. This guy leaves us. We'll fight. We'll have to wait for something else. But yeah, at the moment, still opened. Yeah, like you other crown, find the pro crown, and then I see I'm looking forward to come view. Crown was a big up. So, so we are still waiting. We are still waiting. We're still waiting. Okay, looks like it may be coming soon. If I do get my confirmation, I'm also gonna again like confirmation. But yeah, let's see. Interesting. What's gonna help me now is where did you spot that guy there? Okay. We are on the sidelines, we are waiting for it. We are still waiting. So you are waiting. You can become one. Yeah. You can take us. So this one. Now if you become him, then I'm gonna have to come you. Then him. Now I'm seeing in fact slightly below this low now. Okay. Mm. Cool. It's fine. this one. Okay, I'm just gonna move my order a bit.
Order cancelled.
And I'll get at a place where I'm expecting something. So let's see.
Order submitted.
I'll move it closer towards when we do get there. Okay, so we're coming a bit closer. Okay, almost. now I've split my size, right? I'm getting in less. I can't risk a lot, so I'm gonna risk maybe about 100, and then if it goes in, I get another confirmation, then I can add on. So for now, I'll just be on the side. I'll be having one. So we're also waiting. So right now we're waiting for options price to give more willingness to want to buy. Then we'll get involved, right? Um, what sucked is we actually did hold a good amount of money and we didn't close, but again, we can't cry over that, right? We can't cry over that. We can't cry over that. We need to be able to do what is right. So let's see. Now remember guys, my wife also works from home, so you'll be able to hear her in the background. Okay. Anytime soon. Okay.
Order filled.
Put a buy stop here as well.
Order submitted.
Okay. Now
Order filled.
so let's see. So we're buying. So I need to put a sell stop, right? I am buying, so I need to put a sell stop.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. I think I can stop for now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop for this session. Come back in New York. This was interesting, right? So took another one, but for me, I'm already out because I was not expecting to even go a little bit lower. The paper might work, but for me, I am not seeing any more price action regarding this guy here, at least. So yeah, this London started off good, but again, that was unrealized, right? Now we ended up down, but what we can do is we'll come back this to New York. We'll be able to come back. So I want to see what did gold end up doing, if it ended up selling or what. So we did retrace, we went down. Yeah, like I said, I was not looking forward to buy because from these areas because of this break here. I'm not happy with that. Yeah, I'm not happy with that break. So um, yeah, there won't be a need for me to get in there, right? Okay. Um, yeah. Other than that, let's see. So it's NASDAQ, right? I'm not sure if it will still buy, but I'm just going to go on the sidelines for this setup. I want to see if I was violated, if I was wrong, and where can we improve on that, right? Excuse me. Yeah, where can we actually improve on that? Okay. And then 30. 30, remember 30, I was expecting the same as NASDAQ, right? To come inside, and then we buy. So we'll see how we can get involved with this 30. Yeah, we'll see how we can get involved with this 30. I had put an alert, but yeah, I'm still looking for bullish moves from this 30. We've got our gap here, then we've got the gap that we are in, this one here. Yeah, so it's making sense why NASDAQ is not actually hit at the time. Check out the low. Okay, guys, we will meet in New York. We will meet in New York. All right. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And if you okay, I'll do this. And then mute the desktop because it's still running. Okay. Saying yes, we'll meet in New York. Right now, I am just going to be watching the market. If I do get a setup, I will record it so that I make sure this series is intact, right? So, okay. But I'm still bullish, regardless of what you've just done now. I'm still looking for bullish price action from this guy, yeah. Gold. Gold was nice. Oh, this drop, we didn't have a setup there, so gold is nothing so far. We didn't have any setup from gold. We haven't got any gold today. So we're expecting it to retrace a date, but to come there and go up. But I'm not expecting it to buy. I'm not seeing it happening here. So okay, we have that. Gold, NASDAQ, highlighted. I'm still bullish. Oh, this one still bullish as well with him too. So see, we've tapped, but yeah, we'll see if we're gonna go up or it's gonna remain there. Yeah, currencies, we hardly do look at currencies, but yeah, we'll stop there from this three. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for joining, and we will meet in New York. So, and remember, it's only gonna get better.